This is how you choose your support and resistance zone. If I click on this one, this indicator will apply on this stock. Triangle pattern, click on this one. You can click here, then here, then here, and you can use triangle pattern. You can change the color, you can change the fill color, and if you want to delete, just hit this one, it will delete. Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about how to open an account with Tradingview website. Well, if you are new and you haven't opened an account with the Tradingview, then this video will be very helpful for you, because in this video we will talk about the sign-in process, and then secondly, we will talk about some chart setting and how to apply different indicator on any of the share. So I recommend to watch this video till end, because this will be very helpful for you if you are new and you haven't opened an account. So let's start the video. Hi guys, my name is Max and welcome to my channel. Today's video is based basically upon tutorial about the Tradingview website. Like if you haven't opened an account, in today's video I will guide you like how you can open your account on Tradingview and how you can apply different indicator, and you can use that for the day trading and to learn about technical analysis. So let's start the video. So basically first step is to just go on to the Google, type it Tradingview and search for that one. The first link will come with the Tradingview, so just click on that one. When you click on this one, the first thing is very impressive is their logo. They have written very impressive word that look first then leap. Look first means you should have clear your basic, you should have good knowledge about technical analysis, and you should have a bit of experience, so that after you get mastery in trading, then you can start doing trading. So this is how their panel look like. If we scroll down, then it shows different kind of market summaries for the stocks. If we click on the stock, it will show different kind of stocks such as Apple and Amazon, Alphabet. Then it also show about the crypto. It shows about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tether. Then if we click on the Forex, it will show different Forex pairs such as pound to USD, Australian dollar to USD. Then if you go further down, it will show 1 day, 1 month chart, and then 3 month. You can choose whatever you want to choose. It will show 1 year, 5 year, and then 3 month, 1 month, and 1 day chart as well. So if you click on the candle, it will show candlestick chart. The next one is like US stock. It will show the stock which are on US market, then the world stock, then the crypto, and it shows the Forex and currencies. So basically when you click on the Forex and currencies, it will show the trade ideas. The trade ideas is basically people are talking about in different platforms. Then the future and commodities. If you click on the bonds, it will show all the bonds and its trade ideas. If you click on the community, it will show you what's like different latest news about the whatever the people are talking about. So basically first step, we have to go to on the get started and click on this one. It will ask you about sign-in process. So we have to click on this one, the sign up. Then it will ask you how you want to sign up. There are different options, like you can sign up with Google account. If you want to sign up through the Facebook, you can do that one as well. LinkedIn, Yahoo, Apple. Let's say if we want to sign up with the email, then we will click on the email. We will provide our email and choose password according to your choice, and just tick on this one that I am not Robert. Then hit the button create account and your account will be created. After you create your account, they will send a verification link on your email. You have to complete your verification process, then your account is created. So after you open an account with the Tradingview, this is how the page will look like, which will show different options such as indices. When you click on the stock, it will show different stocks such as Apple stock, Amazon, Alphabet, crypto, then similar way the Forex and future and bonds. And if you scroll down, you can see different aspects such as editor pickup, editor picks, and streams. So top stories. Let's say if you want to search for any of the share, then we will click on the search button. It will show you different options and it will show you the stocks. And if you click on the countries, you can select any of the country. Let's say if I on the Nasdaq, S&P 500. So if we go back, then similarly you can choose for the funds. Then if you click on the future, it will show you all the options of, like, let's say Bank Nifty, crude oil. And similarly, if you click on the forex, it will give you different options of Australian USD dollar pair, euro to USD. Then if you click on the crypto, it will show you Bitcoin versus USDT, Ethereum versus USD. Similarly, indices, bonds, and economy. Let's say if we want to search for any of the stock, we will type here, for example, Apple stock. Then here it will give you two options. One is launch chart and other is C overview. If you click on the C overview, it will give you overview of Apple company. It will give you the key data points such as volume, previous close, open, then the day range. And if you click on the news, it will give you all the news which are related to this share and ideas, then technical and the market. So we will go back here and again we will search Apple share, and here now we will click on the launch chart. This is how the chart will look like, and we will discuss every icon which are on the left side, on the top, on the right side, and at the bottom. We will discuss each of the icon one by one. But before going into the icon side, firstly just right click on your chart and go to setting, and here you can change the symbol. You can change the color of your candle. If you want to change from green to white, you can change, but I generally keep this one as green. If you want to go back, you can just press Ctrl Z. Next one is the status line, then scales, then the canvas. Let's say if I want to get rid of this horizontal and vertical line, just go to background and click solid, then go to the next one, the grid line, and select none, and it will hide all the vertical and horizontal line. Then you can press OK, and this is how your chart will look like. It's much clean and you can do more work. And from this icon you can choose different layer. If I choose this is actually basically showing the chart into 2 time frame, but this feature is available only if you upgrade your plan. So we will start from the top left corner. Let's say if you want to choose another share, and we will click on the search button. We will go on to all, or you can choose stock. You can type, let's say if you want to see Tesla chart, you can type Tesla and it will show you the chart of the Tesla stock. Now the next one is when you click on this plus icon, it basically show you the different indices. If you want to compare the Tesla stock with S&P index and Nasdaq, let's say we choose Nasdaq, we will click on this one and it will show 2 charts. It will do comparison of the Tesla stock with the Nasdaq. We will do Ctrl Z to get rid of this one. And the next one, when you click on this one, you can choose different time frame. You can choose 15-minute chart, 1 hour time frame chart, 1 day, weekly, and if you see on every time there is a start button in front of them. If you click on this one, it will actually go into your favorite. Let's say we choose 15-minute, then 1 hour, then 1 day and weekly. So it will show all whichever the favorite we have choose, it will show at the top. So the next one is the candle. Let's say if you want to change the candle chart into the line chart, you can choose the line chart. It will change this chart into a line chart. If you want to choose this one into a bar, you can choose bar. It will choose to a bar. Then area, HLC area, baseline. So you can choose as per your requirement. So we will stick to the candlestick chart. When you open a new account with the TradingView, it will show so many ads. It's sometimes annoying. After the candlestick, the next icon is the indicator. If you click on this one, you can choose, when you go to click technicals, you can simply apply any of the indicator by typing here. Let's say if you want to apply MACD indicator, you just type MACD. It will apply here. And if you want to put this MACD into your favorite, you can just hit this star button and it will go into your favorites. Get rid of this one so that our chart will look more clean. Then after this one, if you click on this one, then it will show save indicator template. You can save this template. The next one is the alert one. If you click on this one, you can set an alert for any of the share. Let's say for the Tesla, If you want to set alert, you can drop down this one. It will show you different option of crossing down, greater than, less than. You can choose any of the option and then you can hit create. And next one is the notification, how you want to get notify in app, show pop-up, send email, play sound. You can choose any of the sound, and you can hit the create. It will create alert for this stock. Next is the replay. Whatever you have done, it will replay everything. And if you want to undo, you can do here as well. And if you want to redo, you can click here and it will redo this one. And in case you want to bring your chart to original setting, you can click this one, refresh button, and it will bring the chart to original one. So moving ahead, let's start from the left side. So if we click on the first icon, it will give you different options. Cross, you can choose dot, arrow, eraser, or magic, any of the option. And the next one, if you click on this one, it will show you the trend line, different trend line, which have option of ray, info line, extended line. Let's see if we choose the trend line. Then if you go to same on this icon, and you can choose extended line as well. If you click here, it will show you extended line as well. Then similarly, there are other options such as horizontal ray, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel channel. You can choose any of this as per your requirement. So moving forward, when we click on this icon, it will show you different Fibonacci tool. First one is the Fibonacci retracement, Fib channel, Fib time zone, Fib circle. Let's say if we choose this one, Fib retracement, and we click here, you can choose this tool and you can play around with this tool and you can do setting as per your requirement. So for a moment, I will get rid of this one to make our chart look cleaner. So I will press Ctrl Z, and next one is the pattern. You can choose any of the patterns such as ABCD pattern, triangle pattern, tree driver pattern, and then cipher pattern. Let's say if we choose triangle pattern, click on this one. You can click here, then here, then here, and you can use triangle pattern. You can change the color, you can change the fill color, and if you want to delete, just hit this one, it will delete. So the next tool, if we click on this one, you can choose long position, you can choose short position, and forecast, bars pattern. Firstly, let me get rid of this one. We will click here and then just press the remove button. It will delete this one. On this tool, you can choose the long position, short position, bar pattern, ghost feed. Let's say if we choose the long position, long is basically when share is going up, you choose the long position. If I click here and drag this one, it will basically show you the target and it will show you the risk and reward ratio. Similarly, if you click on the short position and click here and drag this one, and you can change your setting and it will show you open PLN and risk and reward ratio, your target and amount as well. So I will get rid of this one. We will do Ctrl Z. Then the next option is the brushes. You can use brush, highlighter. If you want to highlight anything, you can choose arrow marker. You want to show that it's going up, you can use the arrow marker. And similarly, if you want to show down trend, you can use arrow mark down. And let's say if we click on the brush, you can type here anything. And similarly, if you choose highlighter, you can highlight this one. By clicking here, you can choose any of the color, it will change the color. In this tool, basically the most useful is the rectangular one, and I will recommend to keep this one into your favorite, because with help of this one, we will draw support and resistance zone. So guys, just see, whatever the icon you put into the favorite, it will start showing on the top here. So if I click on the rectangular, then I click here, I will draw a rectangle. And I can change this color to red, and you can change its width as well. Let's say if we want to draw resistance zone, Okay, I will bring this one here. We can drag here to minimize this one. Similarly, if you want to draw another one for the support, you can click here, then draw another triangle. And for the support, I choose generally the green color because it's going up, so we can change to the green color. This is how you choose your support and resistance zone. And always remember, support and resistance are not a single line, they are a zone. Then the next one, if we click on this one, it's emoji. You can use different kind of emoji. Next one is the measure tool. If we click this one, let's say if we click on the chart, it will basically show me how many bars and the time period and the volume. So I will get rid of this one. I will press escape. And the next one is the plus icon. If this is actually a zoom in, if we click this one and I click here and drag this one, it will zoom to that portion only. And if we want to get zoom out, then simply click here the refresh button. It will bring you on the previous setting. And the next one is you can also click the zoom out button as well. It will zoom out that one. Next one is called the magnets, which has two options, weak magnet and the strong magnet. It's basically it draw the trend line very close to the weak. So the next one is called the stay in drawing mode. If you click on this one, you will stay in drawing mode. Then if you click on the lock button, it will lock all the drawing tool. Next one is the hide all drawing tool. If you want to hide all the drawing tool, you can click this one. It will hide all the drawing tools. So next is the remove object. Let's say if you want to remove all the work we have done, if you click here, it will ask you remove 5 drawings, remove 5 drawings. So 0 indicator, if I have applied any of the indicator, if you want to remove that one, it will remove that one as well. Let's say if we want to remove all the work we have done, we will hit here, it will remove everything. So now let's go to the right side. First portion, when you click here, it's the watch list. It will show you the different watch lists. If you want to add any of the stock, just click on the plus button. You can add any of the share, let's say Amazon. I will click here and it will add into my watch list. And when you scroll down, let's say if you click on the Apple, and when you scroll down, it will show you the different key stat. It's volume, average volume, market cap, dividend yield, everything you can see here. The next one, if you want to create an alert for any of the share, you can create from here as well. Let's say if you want to create alert for this Apple stock, just click on the plus button. If we click here on the crossing, you can choose crossing up, less than, greater than. You can choose any of the option and you can set a price. You can increase and decrease the price, and you can choose the option trigger only once every time, and you can create alert. And if you hit on the notification button, you can choose any of the how you want to be get notified. Let's say you want to get notified into app, show pop-up, send email, play sound. So in this way you can create a alert for this one. Moving forward, if we click on this one, it will show you object tree and data window. Then if you click on this one, it's hot list. This is calendar and my ideas, then chats, idea streams, and then notification. And let's say if you want to hide this one, just click any of the icon which is actually active. Let's say if the watch list is active, if you click again on this one, it will hide this one. Now let's talk about the bottom side. If we first click on the stock screener, you can choose any of the share. Let's say if we choose Microsoft, you go to the overview, it will give you the overview about this stock, the price, change in price, then technical rating, volume, and market cap. Then if you click on the performance, it will show the performance about this stock. Similarly, extended hours, valuation, dividend, margin. Then if we click on the Pine editor, it will show you the coding. The next one, if you click on the strategy tester, you can load your strategy and you can actually test your strategy. Then the trading panel, where you can directly link with your broker and you can buy and sell the share through the Tradingview as well. So I will hide this one. So guys, now we have learned about different features and icons and tools of this TradingView app. So now we will learn about how to apply different indicator on the chart. So firstly, you have to go to indicator, click on the indicator, then click on the technical. You can choose any of the indicator as say RSI. And similarly, if you hit on the star button, it will go into your favorite here, and then you can simply choose from this as well. If I click on this one, this indicator will apply on this stock, and if I apply MACD, it will apply on this stock as well. And let's say if I choose X Bollinger Band, so now it's showing you can't choose more than 2 indicator on basic plan, and if you want to use more indicator, then you have to upgrade your plan. So here is a trick, guys. We will learn how you can use more indicator here. And if we go to indicator and click on the search button and search for moving average ribbon, so basically it shows you 20 simple moving average, 50 moving average, and then the 200 simple moving average. And when we click on this setting button, you can choose from simple moving average to exponential moving average. Let's change to the exponential moving average for all, and you can change the setting as well and press the OK button. So now it's showing exponential moving average rather than showing the simple moving average. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned a lot about the TradingView website. And if you guys have any doubt, you can comment in the below section. I will also upload the link for my previous video in the description box, where I have discussed about how you can start stock trading as a beginner. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because more informative videos are on the way. So till then, see you guys in next video.